In this video, I am going to show you how to download Capcut Pro version on mobile phone. You can use Capcut Pro with easy and simple method with no exporting problem. All premium features working including voice enhance and background removing. Go to Google Play Store and download any VPN. You can search here VPN and download any one of the following. You can download Smart, Proxy, Super, Speedy, Secure. I have downloaded this Urban VPN and I have turned it on. Now you have to go to any search browser and you have to search there. I have opened up Google search browser. You have to search this one, which is I am searching here. You have to click on second option you can see on your mobile screen. Click on that one and click on its first website. Here you can easily download Capcut Pro version with all premium features. Or you can simply go to Google Play Store and search here Capcut Pro. Search here Capcut Pro and click on install button. Here you can see Capcut Pro has been installed. You have to open it and you can see all premium features are working here. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.